The vessel was intercepted by the Philippine Coast Guard Wednesday off Palawan, an archipelago on the western border of the Philippines, GMA News reported Monday. They seized 1 ton of yellowfin tuna worth 200,000 pesos, $3,700, and a tiger shark weighing 50 kilograms. Local authorities said the crew allegedly failed to furnish a permit for fishing in Philippine waters. The news site quoted the Coast Guard as saying they had a hard time chasing the fishermen. In May this year, 20 Vietnamese fishermen had been detained off Mangsee Island in the Philippines. With more than 50 pieces of sharks and rays they had chopped up, the Star Online reported. 2 months before that, 14 Vietnamese fishermen had been arrested off Paluan, a municipality in the central province of Occidental Mindoro. The Malina Times quoted local authorities as saying, "Hundreds of Vietnamese fishermen have been caught illegally fishing in foreign waters in recent years. Vietnamese authorities are trying to raise awareness of maritime boundaries and international maritime laws, and carry out regular patrols to prevent potential violations." The video is sponsored by Centronic.com.